So today is Monday, the 20th of April, as the first season of planting is going to an end. Yesterday night we have a tremendous rainfall and the sun is too harsh. So April used to have some drought period, and the rain is somehow scarce, but this year the phase of the rains are different. So actually it has seen that farmers struggle to complete their planting this month, and as of May, Labor Day, they'll be celebrating their effort as farmers and to continue maintaining their crops, so that once it clocks their harvesting time, they could carry them to the market. This community I'm living around is just adjacent to a market in Munya, which leads to Tico, leads to Ekona, and right up to Manfi. So it's a great market where most customers buy from Munyenge, Ekona, Moyoka to come sell in Buea. As the population is increasing due to the crisis, and the cost of living in this area is moderate for people who are internally displaced. So I'm encouraging every farmer to hold tight to their agricultural activities, that in the few or in the nearest future, agriculture will be the core and will still be the backbone that will keep our country growing. And as food insecurity increases, population is increasing, and food will be very scarce in the longer period of time. So stay tuned for more updates as we move along.